Hello everyone, God bless you. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a playlist or to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. My name is Atutaka. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that so you will know, and click the bell so you will know whenever I post a new video. Let's say there is this new one. Just a moment. Pause it. If I want to save, you click save to any video that you like to watch. Okay, you say saved. So my default is watch later. You can change it and you make a new playlist. See, so you could call it any name. I'll say Atutaka Tech. Alright, and then you choose to either make it public so that anyone on YouTube can search for that, or you make it unlisted. If anyone has that link to that playlist, they can see it. Or you choose private. I'll choose private for now, so you're the only one who can see that playlist, and then you click create. Okay, so let's see another example. I'll search for, let's say, Atutaka collections. Alright, and I'll see this latest video, and let's say do the same thing, save. Okay, so that's the current playlist, so it goes there automatically, and you can say create new playlist and say call it XYZ, up to you. Alright, so this time you can make it public if you want to share it. You cannot share the playlist if you make it private. You can only share it when you've made it public. Let's do this. So I've made a public one. Let's go back and see. I'll go back to my channel, and you go to your channel, click your channel and see the playlists. Alright, so there is this XYZ, the public one, and then there is this Atutaka Tech. Let's start with this and we see. Alright, see, with this you cannot share. There is no option for sharing this one. It's private mode. I saved it under private. Okay, but with this XYZ, I made it public, so it has an option for sharing. I hope you see the difference. See this one, private, there is no option arrow for sharing, while this one that is public, you can click this. Alright, get the link. Okay, and then paste it to anyone you want to share the video with, or the playlist in that case. And if you want to edit, you can make if it's public and you don't want it to be public, you can change it to private or unlisted. Anyone with the link can open it, but if they don't have the link, they can't open. So I'll choose private for now. Alright, very easy steps. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, and God bless you. Stay tuned for another video. Bye bye.